The latest report says doctors are more dangerous than what we have been thinking so far. So friends, your health is in your hands. Actually, I was telling my friend 15 days ago, there was the latest IOM meeting in America. IOM is an audit body called the Institute of Medicine, appointed by the Academy of Science to audit what doctors do, which of course a few years ago said the leading cause of death in the world are doctors in hospitals and medicines and drugs. Second is cancer, third is heart attack. The latest report says doctors are more dangerous than what we have been thinking so far. Madam Minister was telling me that doctors don't go to the villages. What do we do? Dr. Hegde, she was asking me. I will give her the experience of 14 countries study, industrialized countries, starting from United States of America to Japan, where there were more doctors per capita. Did you mark my words? Where in those countries where there were more doctors per capita, death rate was the highest, longevity was the lowest, health was the worst. Where there were less doctors per capita, longevity was the longest, health was the best, death rate was the lowest. This is called the 14 country study. My friend, 14 country study. You can check that. It's in JAMA 2000 248 483. It also showed, very interesting, Bogota in Colombia some years ago, Saskatchewan in Canada, St. Stephen's Hospital in Dublin, Israel, and Los Angeles County 15 years ago, doctors went on strike. Do you want to know what happened? Mortality and morbidity fell down precipitously. Only to go back to the level when doctors joined back to work. Provoking the British Medical Journal to write an editorial. Quote, doctors going on strike will certainly improve society's health. So friends, your health is in your hands. Health is not something which happens in the body. Health takes into effect your genes or what you have inherited from your parents, your environment where you live, and the gorging of food that you all take. You know, you think the food is there for all of you to eat as much as you want. No. We eat at least about 10 times more than what we need. If you eat in moderation, small amount of food, and the food that you enjoy, and then love the whole world, and keep your mind free from all anger, jealousy, hatred, pride, etc., etc., you will certainly live till you die. Did I say you will live for 100 years? No, I didn't say that. But our aim is, you don't want to be dependent on somebody with a disease till you die. So you will be healthy till you die, and the day you die, you simply die.